Welcome to the Holistic Healing Retreat. I am Dr. Tarek Halabi, and I will personally guide you through a profound and life-changing journey designed to restore balance, harmony, and vitality at the physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual levels. Imagine stepping away from the strain and demands of everyday life and entering a peaceful, nurturing environment where your sole purpose is to renew, recharge, rejuvenate, and revive. This exclusive immersion is intentionally limited to a small group of only 7 to 15 participants, creating an intimate and supportive atmosphere where each individual receives personalized attention and dedicated care. Throughout the retreat, I will facilitate daily group sessions featuring Reiki Healing to promote deep relaxation and activate the body's natural healing mechanisms, Chakra Balancing to restore the healthy flow of vital energy, Aromatherapy to calm the mind and uplift the spirit, Marma Therapy to stimulate key energy points and accelerate rejuvenation, Sound Therapy to harmonize your energetic field, Pranayam to calm the nervous system and enhance mental clarity, Guided Healing Meditation to quiet the mind and release tension and stress, and Intuitive Guidance to provide meaningful insights and practical direction. Participants frequently report increased energy and stamina, improved sleep, greater emotional balance, heightened mental alertness, reduced anxiety, depression, and fear, more refined intuition, profound inner peace, and a renewed sense of purpose. If you are seeking natural healing, personal transformation, and a deeper connection with your true self, the Holistic Healing Retreat is for you. Allow yourself to experience the extraordinary healing potential that already exists within. I look forward to welcoming you and supporting you on your healing journey. Thank you.